Welcome to Club Keyboard. Club Keyboard is a brand new group piano class here at Brooklyn Music Factory, but that's not even telling half the story. Brooklyn Music Factory piano faculty wrote the curriculum and songs and are even publishing a book specifically for the students. And this is unlike any other music lesson your child has ever experienced. Club Keyboard is interactive theater for music education. Students, along with their teacher, take on the roles of characters in a story. Students interact musically with the exciting adventures of our Club Keyboard characters, learning rhythm, melody, harmony, and even songwriting along the way. Each unit takes the students on a journey to a new location around the world, exploring the sounds and textures of many different cultures while getting more and more excited about playing piano. Club Keyboard is an extremely engaging introduction to the piano and music in general. It's perfect for kids ages 6 to 8 and offers a great introduction to the piano in a friendly group environment. Sign up today and begin your child's world tour of the piano.